Okay, I think there was some understanding that we may have not have done this particular problem. This is from the first of Chapter 5 homework problems, and it's the last of the group. And let's see how this works out in case we didn't do it in class. Shales Corporation owned 80% of Pani, sold inventory items to, somehow I think we did do this, but just in case, since I'm on the roll already, sold inventory items to its parent at a $48,000 profit in 2012. Pani resold 1/3 of this inventory to outside entities, and Shales reported net income of $200,000 for 2012. So they want to know the non-controlling interest share consolidated net income that will appear in the income statement for 2012. So this is just a one-year question, but it is an important one because, which is exactly what I think I said in class, to demonstrate how the non-controlling interest share of income is calculated in these sales. And in this case, this is a sale of Upstream, because Shales, which is the subsidiary, has sold to the parent inventory at a $48,000 profit. That's the profit amount. The parent resold 1/3 to the outside, leaving 2/3 unsold, if I'm doing my math right. And that means 2/3 represents the percentage that is going to be the unrealized profit for the year. And therefore, on that note, let's take another look at the problem and see how this all works out. What they want to know is, what is the NCI, the non-controlling interest share of the consolidated income? And we're told that the subsidiary reported $200,000 of net income, which includes the $48,000 profit. So that's inside of this number here. So one way of doing this is to say how much of the $48,000 that is in here is the unrealized amount, and the way to do that is to say the following: that of the $48,000, since 1/3 was sold to the outside, 2/3 weren't sold, what does 2/3 represent? 2/3 mathematically is, and here's where I need my calculator, so I'm working on that now. Where is the calculator when I need it? Here we go. Always like to make sure the math. So 48,000 divided by 3 times 2 gives us $32,000, and that is the unrealized profit, $32,000. So of the amount of profit included in the 200,000, we have to take out 32, thus leaving us with a subsidiary profit of 168 for real at 20%, since that's the percentage to the NCI, is 33,600, and we find that answer right up here, and that is that. So if you have any questions on that, take a look at that slide from the textbook, which shows the computation of non-controlling interest downstream versus upstream. That's probably, when it comes to inventory problems, that's probably one of the most important parts of the formula, to just understand how that all works.